Hey everybody, welcome. Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year. We're going to be doing a series of videos called Staying Alive in 5, where we show in under 5 minutes either gear, tactical, outdoor, survival type things. So join us today for our first in a series of Staying Alive in 5. We're down here in South Florida, and today I'm getting ready to go out to do some Christmas shopping. And I dress for the occasion. Number one, you guys seen my ProTech tactical bag. Fully loaded, ready to go with a spare handgun. This bag stays with me wherever I go. 2, good pair of sunglasses, hat. I already have sunscreen on. G-Shock watch. Paracord bracelet. A nice cotton shirt, comfortable, a little bit big to cover all my gear. Just take it off and show you what I have. My keychain, light, whistle, compass, Swiss Army knife with a scissor, 511 tactical belt, spare 9mm magazine with 18 rounds, carried horizontally, stream light, flashlight, BlackBerry cell phone, spare BlackBerry cell phone. This is the pocket I carry my flip video camera in. 511 Tyranny knife, folding knife, right pocket. Gerber Octane multi-tool. Flat pocket here. My Maxpedition Spartan wallet. Right leg pocket. On my hip, Glock 19, 9mm handgun with 16 rounds of ammunition. Pants are by Woolrich. They're very light, very comfortable. Great for hot and warm climates. My footwear is Salomon Trail Runners. Excellent shoe for working out in the field, light camping, light backpacking work. And that's how I'm dressed today. Thanks for joining us for Staying Alive in 5, and that's a gear review for today.